प्रीव्यू है ना, आई डोंट नो, वो लाइव।
बाबा इतना नौटंकी मांग रहे हैं।
हाँ वो थोड़ा
Hey,
दुल्हन,
we are there.
दुल्हन
We
है ना,
are live.
दुल्हन है ना, दुल्हन थोड़ा शर्माती है, सो इट्स ओके।
We are live on Facebook.
Oh, we are live on Facebook. Okay, great.
Yay.
Okay, here you go. Yes.
We are there. We are live.
थोड़ा शर्माती है, so it's okay.
We are live on Facebook.
Oh, we are live on Facebook. Okay, great. So,
Well,
hi. Hi, this is Suruchi, and I'm in conversation with Shruti. It was supposed to be reversed, but I think we just reversed.
so we are here, and I'm Shruti, and she is Suruchi.
Hi.
And this is our first on live, on a conversation with money, for money, having money on Facebook. How does it get even better than that? And what else is possible? So, yes, Suruchi, what would you tell us about what money is?
Money. Money, rokra, currency, gold coins, everything is money. It's like the moment I think money, I think I like a child who feels going into a candy store and different things, like there is chocolate, there's candy. So money is that energy basically, which is people describe in different form, like in Axis term we talk money as an energy, more about a currency. But if you in day to day, we talk about money as cash, hard cash, or we say money as gold coins. For some, money is like jewelry, real estate. So for everyone it's very different. For me, actually, money is just like chocolate. It's so weird. And I'm like,
Okay.
I'm a greedy child who wants to eat all the chocolate and all the flavor of chocolate. So yes, money is that.
Okay. And so, what about that money where we used to get, you spoke just about chocolates as pocket money. What about that money when we were in school or little kids?
So it's like, इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज ना, जैसे मनी बोला उसको पॉकेट मनी क्यों बोला? बिकॉज जब पॉकेट मनी बोलते हो तो बहुत लिमिटेड होती है ना, पॉकेट मनी तो हमेशा थोड़ी मिलती है, ज्यादा कब मिलती है? So
My question over there, when we received that pocket money and you just got that energy of candy and everything, there was so much of fun when you used to get that little money also, and it would, keep on multiplying, and that kind of happiness with that money. What about that? What is that then?
So see, when we were small, okay, and we used to get that pocket money, which was outside our limit zone. Okay, for somebody, depending upon which era they were born, it can be 25 rupees. I've heard stories of from my mom, from 5 rupees, how much you could buy and still save, right? And coming to our generation, where even 1,000, 2,000 is not enough. It's
True that.
peanuts. It's
True that.
peanuts, right? So it's the thing is, whatever era we are born in, that little pocket money when we are talking about, it's like it was outside of comfort zone. That I don't know, I never earned. I was gifted. I received it with no
Yes,
point of
that
view.
energy.
It's receiving with no point of view. And there was, when we were growing up, there was no significance. Right now, if you earn, you have a significance attached to how much money do you earn. Your value in the society is how much do you earn, because somewhere we segregate people based on their income stream. Okay, worth talking, not like, it's like, let's take it real life example. If I'm dating somebody, so the first thing I see, oh, can he afford my lifestyle? So what did I do? I discounted what the person is or not is based on his income.
Oh.
That we didn't knew when we were getting pocket money for everything. Was like, oh, free ka hai.
How can we have that energy when we are grown up adults? Getting that pocket money, going to the beach, going to the little having those ice cream, candies, everything. We had those lists what we could buy from this pocket money.
So the thing is, you had the list. How many of us now have no list? We are just following a routine that I need to create this money to survive. See, those lists were desire, not need. Today's list is based out of need, and need is an invention. that doesn't allow us to follow our dreams. It's like list है, ये जरूरत है मेरी, so उसके लिए मुझे कुछ भी करके झक मार के मन मार के काम करना पड़ेगा. So it's a compulsion.
So what about those people, as you're talking about needs, all those adults who are taking care of their family?
Yeah.
How can they instill that childlike energy now?
It is like, okay, see, I know if I am now an adult who has a family to look after, so I have
Yes.
my certain expenses to take care of it. I get that. So I will say, okay, this is my demand, this much amount I need to generate every month because this is what it is. But I'll add little extra to it. I will not only ask that, I'll add little extra to it. That is my fun element. That this I will use for fulfilling certain dreams of mine. Okay. And then I will say, what can I do or be here to generate this money? Not create, but generate the money. I'm using the word generation here.
Yeah, right. What is the difference between create and generate?
See, when I create, I have to create from the scratch. Yeah. When I generate, it's like something is in motion. I am just generating. It's a movement that is going on. Right? It doesn't take too much effort. And I know so many people, like a background, like because I'm into facilitation, I'm into holistic healing. So I have a lot of clients coming up. So where they say we don't like our job, so it's so boring. I get that. But if that is the source of income you have right now, so the idea is like you can play with the tool is like how much fun can I have doing what I do? Because see, when we add that fun element, style element in it,
Yes.
it doesn't become a task. And at the same time, what will it take me to create that much amount where my need is taken care of? Because when I take care of the need, it gives me the freedom to be me. It's very strange. See, jahan pe bhi, okay, it's money, but anywhere jahan pe you don't have a need to impress someone, when you don't have a need to prove something to someone, when you don't have a need, the need specifically, do you show up as you or do you show up as a representation of you? यार
So
money,
true.
money is one thing जो सबको control करके रखा है.
Yeah.
So it's like I typically ask people कि are you owned by money or do you own money? Because if I'm owned by money, I'm money's puppet. Then I have to dance the tune, which takes me out of the equation.
So as you just mentioned, if we are owned by money, what about the situation where we are programmed since childhood that you have to save money for a rainy day? So what is that? Are we owning money? Yeah.
Like, I've heard this.
Yes.
पेड़ पे मनी नहीं उगता, खर्चा कम करो, saving करो.
And that is the same situation which is happening now around the globe, where people are fearing about this pandemic and they are, functioning from that control. So what is that? How can we have fun with that childlike energy? How can we have that now, Suruchi?
See, what I do, I can share what I do. Like,
yes,
I take a certain amount of money for myself. That is just a fun money. Okay. Initially, it was very small because my income was very small. Okay. So I started with a small thing, but that is my fun money with whatever I would like to do. Like pocket money मिलता था. Why it was so fun? Because वो एक ऐसा amount है, उसके साथ आप कुछ भी करो, चाहे chocolate खरीदो, चाहे कपड़े खरीदो, चाहे movie देखो. It was my money. My money in the sense I can do anything. I don't have to be responsible to somebody or give a hisab कि मैंने क्या क्या किया. That gives you a freedom where you own the money and the money doesn't own you, right? So what we do is when we grow up, the responsibility also grows up, and with that responsibility, a childlike attitude, we put ourselves behind. पर एक चीज है ना कि अगर मैं अपने ऊपर खर्चा ही नहीं कर रही, अपने ऊपर खर्चा कर रही हूँ, गिल्ट फील कर रही हूँ.
Yes.
Any which ways वो I'm not enjoying the money, I'm feeling guilty. मैंने spend तो कर लिया, कपड़े खरीद लिया, now I'm feeling guilty. But with that guilt, I rip off that fun part. But what if it's not? It's like you need that entertainment, you need that rejoicing money, which will motivate you to create more money.
So again, I would just ask you a question here, Suruchi. As you just told, you take off that fun money for yourself. So it's like you're inviting everyone to that space where they take out that money, which whatever amount it is,
See,
and do whatever they can do, starting from that maybe 10 rupees or $10 or anything.
yes, it is. It is. It's like,
It is like gifting you a pocket money. Is it something like
yes,
that?
it is just like gifting yourself a pocket money where you don't have to think about anybody. You don't have to think about your need. You don't have to buy it because you need to buy. It's like kitni or chocolate. See, chocolate is something you don't need to eat, right? You need to eat fruits. You need, because it will give you some calcium or something. But chocolate is this. Like, I love chocolate. So the moment I say chocolate, my whole world lights up.
For
I
someone, it can be fruits, wine.
It can be anything. It can be anything. It's like I for me, it's like chocolate. Like, still they, when kids chocolates come, we divide, and I like, this is my share, and I steal their share. So what I'm saying is, like, it's a childlikeness with money also. Where are you trying to become so big where you want to fix things?
Yes.
With money, with the significance attached to money, I know that without money we cannot function. Agree, that is a very practical aspect of it. But what I'm trying to is, like, ask, are you being serious with money, or are you having fun with money?
All of us are having seriousness with money, Suruchi. What about that?
But seriousness is only coming from the need to prove. See, I will only be serious today because I want to prove I am.
One question away. Sorry to cut you in between. What is that one thing if somebody just watches this Facebook Live, and how can they change from being serious to being fun with money?
So all the significance are attached to money, which doesn't allow me to be me with money. It doesn't allow me to be me with money. I destroy and create it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine short business, and take that little 10% out of whatever you're earning as a pocket money, a fun money for yourself, and start doing something which brings you joy, not need. And what will happen is, like, that energy of fun will build up where you want to build your pocket money base. You will do for the fun element. See, with the need element, it's more like थका हुआ इंसान, like रिक्शा वाला पुल करे जा रहा है, पुल करे जा रहा
It's a, yeah,
है, right?
yes.
And if you look at them, they don't have that sense of joy in there. It's like, it's a duty, it's a compulsion, and
Yeah.
after some time you're burnt with it.
So it can be, it is money and fun, or money and seriousness. What do you choose?
See, I've tried being serious. Actually, 2 साल में बहुत serious होने की कोशिश की थी, because the profession I am in, I thought people would take me seriously, and maybe then I'll make more money. Okay, so because it's like when you are like childlike, where money is just like water, it flows whenever you require. Because my relationship with money was, whenever I required, money showed up. Okay, but then the thing is, I didn't know that I can have money. It like showed up because I wanted to do certain expenditure, so it showed up. So the whole idea is, you don't need to be someone else. I was trying to become someone else when money came in picture. So it's like, what are you being when money is involved? Are you being you, or are you being someone else?
So, Suruchi, when you were being money and those 2 years of seriousness, how was your bank balance? And when you were being money and fun and chocolates, how was your bank balance?
See, chocolate bola, my mouth starving. See, the thing is, when I was being me, I was just flowing. Okay, I was not in my head thinking कि आज पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, या आज मैं किसको फोन करूं, कौन सा client मेरे पास आएगा. Okay, I was not being in my head. I was just enjoying my life, and things were just showing up as if by magic. Okay, and when
Is that true? Is that true?
seriously, it's true. I am vouching on it. कि मुझे लगा कि इतना easy है, इसलिए मैं कुछ शायद कर नहीं रही. I need to be really serious. I I bought myself glasses also, fake glasses, to just look serious. Okay? Because it's like people's point of view with money is so different. And because you are different, okay, you try to be someone else. And when you're trying to be someone else, you see, okay, tell me one thing. Let me put it the other way. कि जब जो काम करने में मजा नहीं आ रहा है आपको, आप उसको कितने दिन तक कर सकते हो? जरूरत
No.
है आप कर सकते हो, बट कितनी दिन तक कर सकते हो? और जो चीज में मजा आ रहा है आप उसको कितनी जल्दी कर सकते हो?
And कितनी जल्दी, and wow, thank you for that space. You know, जब जबरदस्ती का पढ़ाई करना पड़ता था, you know, when you have to really study for the exam, it's like it gets over fast. And when you're having fun with something, it's like keeps on growing, keeps on growing, keeps on growing.
So see,
Wow.
and the other thing is, एक second, we let's take a culture. हम लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा करते हैं. What do? You do fun element, you invite people, you party, you make amazing food. It's a party, right? It's a fun
Yes.
party.
Celebration.
Celebration. And what are you doing? What is the message? Ki, please, Lakshmi ji, come to my house. I'm celebrating you, right? And if you become very serious and it's like serious business, serious deal, no, right? So that's the whole energy. The energy is a fun. The more you're having fun in your life, you will be amazed कि जो भी revenue stream hai aapki, that will start opening up. And I get it. Some people have to go to a job 9 to 5 job which is very boring. I totally get it. Nobody's asking if you're not having fun, leave that job. No, please do that job, but do one activity in your life which is fun, so that energy of fun is circulating in your environment. It can be
Okay.
dancing, it can
Awesome.
be a walk, it can be a coffee, it can be anything, but take that time out for yourself and enjoy you.
So, is it that energy what you started in the beginning talking about creating and generating? Is it something like that?
See, because when we are generating, because our energy is fun, right? Whole energy, because I'm fully charged with fun, joy, whatever I did. So when I go to my office, a boring office, I have smile, I am enthused, and everything shifts with my energy. I'm generating it. But
What about a situation where in the house or in your office everybody is sulking? How do you keep on, you know, being that happy energy, the money energy, the fun energy?
okay, tell me, your friends didn't have girlfriend and you had. Because you're a girl, sorry, not girlfriend. Your friends didn't have boyfriend and you had boyfriend. Tell me, will you leave your boyfriend because others don't have? Okay. Shruti, you disappeared.
Yeah.
Boyfriend का नाम आया, you disappeared. Okay, will you leave your boyfriend just because others don't have, or will you flaunt it?
Oh, yes.
So why will I leave my fun part because other people are sad? I'll flaunt it. I'll turn it up more that they get jealous that they want to have that what I'm having. Why can't we the other way around?
Wow, interesting. Never thought about that. Could you just talk about that?
So it's like why it's like because we are trained कि जो लोग दुखी है ना तो please दुखी रहो, खुश मत रहो. So
It is about that having ease with money.
It's having ease with money. यार मेरी लाइफ अच्छी चल रही है, तुम्हारी भी हो सकती है. But हम बोलते नहीं मेरे भी ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरी भी ये प्रॉब्लम. So what did you do? You invite problem in your life to fit in your office space. बट गर्लफ्रेंड की तो कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, बॉयफ्रेंड की कभी. यार तू कितनी लकी है. हाँ यार मैं बहुत लकी हूँ, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड बहुत अच्छा है ना. अच्छा, we flaunt it. We feel it's like a badge of honor. Why will we not have with money? Why will we not have with ease? Why will we not have with fun? Just replace it.
Isn't it about we are taught to hide the money, not flaunt it?
Yes, पैसे की नजर लग जाती है पागल. Grown.
Yes. Yeah, so what about that? You're talking about flaunting
One
and
question. I'm sorry, but अंबानी के पास तो बहुत पैसे है, उसको क्यों किसी की नजर नहीं लगती? Sorry.
that's interesting.
Right?
I like it. I like it.
Mindset. ये कौन चुरा के लेके जाएगा? If your demand is that I will have money no matter what, can anybody steal your boyfriend because your boyfriend is so good looking? You will be Chandi. You like, come in here and I will show you. Why will I not do with that energy, with that money? It's my money, I'm going to have it. I feel like I'll share it. If not, you get your own. And see, we operate from a poverty consciousness. Who has decided it's an abundant universe? But we don't trust that it's an abundant universe. We feel that it's a scarcity. So if your point of view is that it's a scarcity, it will be a scarcity for you. So it actually boils down to what is your point of view. So if you really want to change your monetary reality or see how you have to sit down and ask, what is my point of view with this? What do I really consider? And be brutally honest. यार हम सबकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू थे जो वर्क नहीं किए थे. दैट्स ओके. वी डोंट हैव टू जज आवरसेल्फ एंड नॉट हैव टू क्रिएट ड्रामा. ओ माय गॉड, मेरा ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था. अरे था, बदल लो. अब कपड़े थे, फटे हुए थे, चेंज कर लिया. दैट्स इट. It is as simple.
So what are those 2 things or 3 things which you would like to invite people about changing their monetary reality or financial reality? Where would you take them? One, I get it, is fun. We're just talking about fun. What are the other 2 things or 3 things which you used about access consciousness tools which changed or added more to your financial reality?
So I kept on asking. I became very brutally honest because the thing is, see, I was a very spendthrift person. When I told you that money used to come, I used to spend because I used to enjoy spending money. Okay. And there were so many labels which were given to me कि तेरे को money की क्या जरूरत है? तेरे पास आ जाता है. So I thought, okay, fine. So I never had money. So the only thing is, one tool is take out the 10% of whatever you're earning as a fun money to spend, as a pocket money. You give it to yourself to do what you truly desire to do. And whatever the 10% is to start with, because it will start growing the moment you have fun with that money, because you're spending it on you, on your desire, not your need. See, the
What
need.
do you mean by that?
See, when I am doing something for a need is a limitation. It's very limited. So I still feel that I don't have money. See, जब फालतू फजूल खर्ची में जब पैसे उड़ाते हो, क्यों उड़ाते हो? काफी पैसे हैं इसके पास इसलिए उड़ाती है. So that is the energy that I have. मेरे पास बहुत पैसे हैं. But need से यूज करना है, that means मेरे पास बहुत limited resources है. I am operating from lack, तो मेरे को बहुत sensible होके यूज करना पड़ेगा. So what did I concluded? That I have a limited resources. I don't have an abundant resource. I have a limited resource. So that is one catch point here. Okay.
That's so interesting. As you just told, faltu mein kharch, or you being a spendthrift, that already has a fun element to it. If you look at it, it's like, who cares? I know I can create more, generate more.
What if it's not a wrongness? See,
yes.
And the second thing is, you have to really ask, can I create money?
What was that question?
See, bolti bandi na, the moment you got into your head, can I create money?
Yes.
How many times we feel here, I don't have an ability. Underlining point of view is, I don't have an ability to create money. मुझे पैसे बनाने नहीं आते. और हम कितनी बार बोलते हैं, ये पैसा मुझे नहीं समझ में आता.
Yeah, so many times we give up after trying for, creating money for 5 projects, 10 projects.
Trying. When you're saying trying, तो try तो यही fail करने के लिए तो try करते हैं, या करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. जब हमने बोला try किया, तो मैंने कोशिश की थी, नहीं हुआ. So I can justify myself. So instead of trying, commit to change your financial reality. And when we are committed to losing weight, when we are committed to making a boyfriend, when we are committed to getting a job, see how much we are ready to do anything. पूरा चीज हिला देंगे, लेकिन वो करके रहेंगे. But when you're saying trying, I'll put effort. I'm not saying I'll not put effort. I'll put an effort to prove my point of view or other people's point of view कि they were so right. I can't create money. पैसे मेरे बस की नहीं है, because मेरा point of view है. So the only thing is you have to write down कि आप जब बात पैसे की आती है, जब बात मनी की आती है, आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हो या एक्सपेंसिव हो जाते हो. So that is the tool I would like you. The second tool from Access is, are you expanding with the word money or are you contracting with the word money? Just be present. You don't have to tell it to anyone. It's for you. Because if you are contracting, it is that you have a very different point of view about money, about your ability to create money.
One question, Suruchi. I have so many clients who come very regularly to me for facilitation, who are really looking to change their financial reality. What is that one tool or one question which they can ask? Other than, the trying and committed. I get it, they're not committed. I get it.
Fine, no problem. So ask them whatever, they can have a target for the month. They can have a target, whatever feels like. Let's be realistic here कि सब मिल सकता है आज भैया, मेरे को पूरी कैंडी की दुकान मिल सकती है, अग्रीड, बट अभी मेरे पॉकेट में 100 रुपए, तो मुझे 100 रुपए की कैंडी मिलेगी. So I then make a demand from 100. What will it take me to make a 500, which is a realistic jump? We need to be pragmatic about it. It's not hairy fairy, right? Because when we make a goal or a demand, अगर मैं 100 रुपए से 1 लाख भी बना दूं, तो somewhere in my mind मुझे पता है कि ये realistic नहीं है, so I will not give my 100% to do anything, because मैंने बोला है खाली बोलने के लिए. So whatever your demand is, make that demand and just ask, what can I be and do today to actualize this ask with total ease? So you have to ask this question every day. What can I be? When you're saying be, you are being an energy that is required for you to be. It can be a fun energy, it can be a serious energy, it can be a kharus energy, it can be a polite energy, it can be a victim energy, it can be any energy. Okay, you are being certain thing, and do is you have to take an action. Because I face like my child who is a teen, right? So he has like, oh, I'll become a gamer and I'll become this. I said, very nice dream, but what action are you taking today? I said,
yes, that is the key, action.
So when I say what can I be and do is the action part. You need to take action, because आपके गोदी पे आके कुछ नहीं गिरने वाला. गिरेगा तो भी उठ के तो लेना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
So the thing is, when you ask this just for 30 days, if with their target every day, if they get up and say, okay, what do I need to be and do to actualize my target today? Because every day you'll have to be a certain energy, and every day you'll have to take a different action, whatever is required, and allow the universe to contribute. When I'm saying allow the universe to contribute, in the sense is, see, कितनी बार हम गट की बात करते हैं कि मैंने ये किया, मुझे नहीं पता था, बट अंदर से there was a feeling, there was something that made me do it. So when you're asking that question and you're opening that door, you'll be guided, somebody will call, take that action. Because हमको क्या चाहिए, पूरा प्लान चाहिए 1 महीने का कि अभी मुझे बता दो कि कल क्या करूं, परसों क्या करूं. But then the thing is, you need to take your car out. अगर traffic है, you'll have to take another route. You may have one route of going, but you cannot say कि जब तक पूरी लाइट ग्रीन नहीं होगी ना, तब तक मैं घर से नहीं निकलूंगा.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing. You need to take action every day, and then tomorrow when you get up, you again ask, okay, fine, what do I need to be? Because we may need to change something, we may need to add something, we may need to delete something. We may need to take somebody's help, we may need to stick to what I know, I will go on to do that. So there's different things to it.
And what about what is actualizing? You just mentioned this question, what can I be and do today to actualize my ask? What is actualize?
Actualize is reality में create करना. दिमाग में तो हमने बहुत create कर लिया, दिमाग में तो हमने किले बना लिए हैं, आइलैंड खरीद लिया है, घर खरीद लिया है, जॉब खरीद लिया है, लड़की मिल गई. रियलिटी में कुछ नहीं हुआ. So actualize is कि इस reality में मैं क्या करूं ऐसा, या what energy can I be कि इस reality में मेरी जो भी ask है मैं उसको create करूं. With ease डाल देना, because I like ease.
Okay.
I don't like struggle.
That's nice. So how much fun can we have in generating money with ease?
Yeah, it is. What if you're just dancing and all of a sudden you get a call because you're having so much fun? They'll say, hey, I need to book a session with you. And you're like, I didn't promote. I didn't do anything. And it has happened with me a lot of times.
So you are inviting people to a party where you don't suffer, don't struggle, just have fun, and you create money.
I like that because it's like I told you now, 2 years I tried being serious because I wanted to prove that I am something. Now I took that label of proving. I said मैं पागल हूँ, but मुझे life में ease पता है, fun पता है, joy पता है. I can guide you. I can invite you to that reality.
Wow.
Because see, when you see mad people, right? They don't care about the world. They are in their own world having fun.
Free.
It's a freedom. It's for me. Freedom is important
Wow.
because if I
That is
please you, I have to be what you want me to be. And sorry, you're not worthy for that. I like my freedom.
so 30 days just asking this question and adding fun element to it.
Yes, 30
Whatever that fun is for you.
whatever that fun is, and if you are in a job, ask how much fun can I have doing that job at ease. Because that job is paying, please respect, money is coming from that job. But how much do you crib about that job? You are cribbing about the revenue stream that is giving you money.
One thing, if you could just add over here, Suruchi. So all those amazing homemakers across globe, or especially in India, during this COVID time, where they are, working 24/7 in their home. How much fun can they have if you could?
Just steal 1 hour of their time, just 1 hour, and do things which is fun for them. Because what will happen is, if you're a homemaker also, it's like you are a tree, right? And the fruits is coming out. So your husband, your kids, those are the fruits. Those are the creation that you are generating by being a homemaker, because you are the energy which is supporting everybody. जब घर में आते हैं, the environment of the house affects us, right? Because any which ways we are very stressed. But if you are in that joyful mood, how much you become a catalyst and change those energy around everything. You are generating that energy without even going to office, without even working, but you're generating that energy which allows them to create more in their life. So take that time out, make yourself the very valuable, because we discount because we are housemaker. No, you are that tree. Why will you discount just because लोग fruits खा के fruit को याद रखते हैं, tree भूल जाते हैं. But you are that tree जिससे वो fruit generate हो रहा है.
Brilliant. So it's about the more fun they add, the fruits will be more sweet.
Of course. It's like, haven't you seen that experiment of water?
Yeah.
It's like Japanese scientist did an experiment where he took that water.
Moto.
Yeah, I don't remember the name. So with one with good thoughts and everything, and one with abuses, right? So one water turned out pink and sweet, the other turned out black. But it was just the water. It was just that energy that we infused in both the water created the result. So how much that space of joy will start generating, creating the environment which will generate and create more money, more joy, more wealth, more prosperity in your life.
Just by being fun.
तो ये एक सिंपल सा चीज है ना. हाउस those backstage workers जो सामने कभी नहीं आते, like actors behind the work, कितना सीन चलता है.
The HRs.
Yeah, HRs. See, people don't see, but it is that energy that they be that combined everything together. So housemakers are just the backstage, or maybe the HR, whatever you want to call, that holds everything together. But do you value yourself for doing that job? Do you appreciate? Because people don't appreciate, so you don't appreciate yourself. Take that fun money, pocket money out for you, and go do something not out of need, but just desire.
And just for you.
Just for you, and don't tell anybody. Just have fun and see how you feel and how that day goes by.
Not for your kids, not for your spouse, just for you.
Yeah, because you matter. You are not an identity card कि मैं इसकी पत्नी हूँ, मैं इसकी माँ हूँ, इसकी बेटी हूँ. You are a separate identity, and same goes for the men. No gender bias here, but
yes.
I'm just a woman. It comes very natural to me to talk about women. So it is just that when you are having fun, when you enter the room, your energy shifts the energy in the room because you are the dominant energy of fun. And don't go with my words. एक दिन fun करके देखना, एक दिन boredom करके देखना, एक दिन fun करके देखना, एक दिन boredom करके देखना, and then choose for yourself whatever works.
And which day the bank balance increases? Wow.
Balance increases, or the other aspects of energy that comes into your,
As gifts, maybe.
as maybe, as compliments, maybe anything. Just be present. Don't.
Okay, even these are money.
Of course, these are money. कौन free में देता है, किसको कुछ gift मिलता है क्या?
Compliment is money.
Of course, it's money. कितने लोगों को compliment मिलता है?
So what if we start writing every day different gifts like bank balance, compliments?
मैं
What else?
किसी को compliment जल्दी से, अगर मेरा मन नहीं होता तो. I am wise with my money. Sorry.
Okay, wow. What one day if we can have something like this with you, Suruchi, where we sit and we start writing different forms of money.
Shruti, तभी
I just knew money is money, currencies, coins and papers. I did not know compliment is money. I did not know gifts are money.
Okay, tell me one thing. When you get a compliment, okay, what happens in your body?
So many times I just don't even receive that. I feel so shy.
So, do you receive money easily, or you feel shy in receiving money?
आजा आजा.
आजा आजा बोलने का है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी तैयार तो होते हैं. आजा आजा कॉम्प्लीमेंट जैसे कोई देता है, वी आर लाइक नहीं. सो इट्स, अगर जब भी आप कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिसीव करते हो, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन योर बॉडी? लेट्स गो देयर फॉर अ मिनट.
Wow, it's like wow energy.
It's wow.
Something, yeah.
And with that wow, when you're doing what you're doing, what happens to your creation?
It multiplies.
And that when it reaches to the supplier,
wow,
how do they receive?
Yes.
And that thing, when it reaches, does it add for the future for more orders?
Yes, true that.
So isn't it that compliment converted into a money, but in a very different form? Not in a linear fashion, but in a very different form. It went and created something. Or chal order bhi nahi, if you're a housewife and somebody complimented you, you're in a good mood and you go into cooking. Does your food taste different?
Yes.
And when people eat the food, does their energy shifts?
Totally. And then you feel like cooking something greater next time. Oh, yes.
So see, these are not in a linear way that money comes. These are very different energies. Because by the end of the day, when I started, I said money is an energy, which we have seen. It's like it's an energy. It's like, if it's an energy, it's everywhere. It's like breathing. It's everywhere. It's abundant. It's just us, our point of view, which limits us from receiving it, from having it. Because we have to prove our worth to have something.
So we were taught to save money and never have it.
See, saving money is nice. I'm not saying don't save money, because saving, sabka apna hai. Say, I will not save for the rainy day. I'll save it because I can. There's a difference.
Yes.
Saving from the rainy day is a very different energy कि मुझे पता है कि कल problem होगी, मुझे चाहिए. I'm saving it because I can save it. So I will save it. मेरा chocolate है, मुझे save करना है because I can. मैं कल खाऊं, परसों खाऊं, नहीं खाऊं, ये मेरा chocolate है, मेरे पास है. It's a different energy. But I'm saving कि कल मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, आज मैं एक bite खाती हूँ और रख लेती हूँ. तो मैंने क्या किया? मैंने अपने मन को मारा. When I wanted to do something, I held on myself for not doing, because I may need tomorrow, because I will not get it. There's a different energy to it.
Wow. Thank you for that, Suruchi. That's amazing. Thank you so much. This was like a jam-pack party of money. Thank you, Suruchi, so much. Any questions, if anybody has to ask Suruchi, who's on the Facebook land, y'all can just write it and y'all can ask before we wrap up the call. any questions we have, or we can just go on. Thank you, Indra. Thank you so much. And to all the people who would be listening, watching to this call in future, can connect to Suruchi Hirawat, who's an amazing CF in Mumbai. And yes, wonder how can you all change your financial and money reality with having too much fun. Yay! Wonder what else is
Somebody
possible.
taught me you can have fun and change your reality. It'll be so much fun. So yes, I invite you all to see a different possibility. My request is don't discard it. If it doesn't, because what we do is when it doesn't match our point of view, if we have a point of view, we discard all the information that comes our way. What if it's like a new toy, new tool, new technique that you've heard? Just be with it for a week, maybe. Play with it. If it doesn't work, please feel to put the delete button and discard from your system. But be open to something different. That is my invitation, because we like to do something which is known. यार अगर वही चीज से कर
Comfortable.
कंफर्टेबल नोन वही चीज से अगर सब कुछ कर लेते ना तो लाइफ में अभी प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होती. तो अगर वो मेरे को जो पता है उससे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो रही है, so let's try something different and see what result shows up. It works, great. If it doesn't work, great. So that's what I invite you to. And that's it. I can go on and on because money is such a subject and there's so much things stored energetically, verbally. We are like cloning each other when it comes to money.
Wow.
So, but that's what it is. I think let's digest this and then we'll go further for anything else. So yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Suruchi, so much. And thank you everyone who's on the call with us. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much. I hope this contributes. See you in person or in any one of my classes or not. I hope this contributes and change your money reality. Bye.
Bye everyone. Thank you so much.